Nig Army have come again with their bombardment with fighter jets. This is happening in Biafra land. Biafra Liberation Army have said, "Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Barabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never follow this channel, I don't know what you are still waiting for. And I thank for my subscribers. Say we don't reach 2,000 subscribers and more. Thank you so much for that, because our message is going viral. People are getting our message, so keep on pushing. Hello my wonderful people, no be small thing o. They say Biafra Liberation Army don come outside this morning come talk say Nigeria army have come again with their bombardment and throwing bomb on them. We are going to play you a video where they are saying this, and also come back and talk more about. There's so many things to talk today. Things are happening in Biafra land, with so many things we have not even covered. We are going to bring it up today, so stay tuned. Be checking the next videos as they happen. Okay, let's watch the video together while we come back and continue.
Breaking news. Breaking news. We have the intruder in our land. The Nigerian terrorist army have been in our land just 30 minutes ago, throwing bomb in the soils of Biafra land. They have come with a Tucano fighter jet, and the Tucano fighter jet have been releasing bomb. 3 bombs so far. Yes, nothing happened, and they only come here to waste their time. The reason of this news is not for you to fear, or it's not to create fear in you. Rather, it's to make you to believe and call on the God of our ancestors to arise and do their needful. Men are equal to the task, so we go nowhere. I will update you later in the day. For now, let's remain focused. They have released 3 bombs, 3 dynamic bombs. A very serious bomb that could have tumbled everywhere, but nothing happened. So we are waiting for its return. It's just that this very type of jet, it doesn't come down. It is in the eye. The sky is covering it, the cloud covering it, and it releases bullets. But nevertheless, we are working on it. By God willing, by the grace of Chukwukikabiyama, we will come up with something that will reach him wherever he will, either by physical or by spiritual. We are fully prepared for them. So I'm here this very morning to tell the Biafran people not to be afraid, that we are equal to the task. This is happening live in Osumowo, in the battlefield itself. We are here, gallant. This is our home. We go nowhere. Thank you, and remain blessed. Stay tuned. I will update you as time goes on. And we also need your prayer anyway. Thank you.
Welcome back my people. As I've watched that video where the Biafra Liberation Army is saying the encounter with them and Nigeria Air Force and military coming to bombard them in their camp where they are as well. Okay, no be small thing, no. As you don't hear am, say see wetin dey go on, and it require una prayer for this particular side. He say nothing dey happen, say they wait for them, and say they are coming up with something wey go fit reach that place where dem dey go bring them come down. No be small thing. That means say na both eye. Abeg, may leave your own contribution in this particular side. What do you think, and what prayer do you have for them? Leave it in a comment section. Let's move. We move. Okay, my people, let's go and look wetin dey happen for Okigwe, where the military are mandating people to raise their hand up before they can pass their checkpoints, and we are going to show you the video now for you to watch, and we'll come back and talk more about it.
Crossing, see what the people, Igbo people are passing through. This is Okigwe. This is what the people we don't know. We're getting through the.
As you can see in that video, he could not continue videoing because they are everywhere. This video may lead him into serious trouble. He's trying to let the world know that look at what they are passing through. This is actually happened in one of checkpoints in Okigwe, where they are mandating people to raise their hands up before they can pass their checkpoints. This is a totally humiliation to the indigenous or the people of the land, the people who accommodate you in their land as a service, or maybe as a military, or as a whatever you are working for Nigeria. Then you come to their land and commanding them to raise their hands up before they can pass you, because you feel, I don't know whatever you feel, but this is unacceptable to Ndi Igbo, and this should immediately stop. No be small thing, no. Things are really happening. Things are really happening. My people, I want me you contribute for this matter. What do you think about this? Is good. All this that going on in eastern part of Nigeria, Biafra land precisely. Let's go and look into the next ongøing news we will get for hand today. They say that Fulani herdsmen attack some passengers and drivers in a route to Irum. So I don't actually know where this side they are mentioning in this particular video, but we're going to play you the video. We're going to cover the first part of the video because there is a blooding. I don't know if they shoot the man or if they actually attack the man with machete. So, but we are going to play the video and cover the first part of the video because it's fucking blooding. Okay, my people, let's watch the video together before we come back and continue. So this is what is going on in Biafra land, and the Fulani have started again to terrorize the people. But all these things that happening, where our leaders focus is sit at home. They focus on sit at home, and they are focused on how to rendition PM will be Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. Before, their focus was how to capture Nnamdi Kanu, and they are placing a bet here and there. Okay, now Nnamdi Kanu has been captured. Even the Igbos put this bet on Nnamdi Kanu's head as well, in order way to capture Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, now they have captured Nnamdi Kanu. What have changed in Nigeria? This is the question I'll be asking. And with my book everyday writing, things are getting worse since you people captured Nnamdi Kanu. I thought maybe by now, if they capture Nnamdi Kanu, they will not give Igbo people presidency. Those of you who are attacking, presidency is the ocean. Where is the presidency? Even P2B that the massive support, Kuro eyes. In your front, children are being voting. They are stealing ballot booths everywhere. In your own front, they refuse you from voting in Lagos, in different states in Nigeria as an Igbo. And today, you don't still have sense. When people come outside to talk, you people will come and shout that, Nigeria, everything is going to be fine. One Nigeria. Where is the one Nigeria? I'm asking you people. Look at what is happening in Southeast. Don't worry, in the next video, I'm going to show you how the Biafra Liberation Army captured one Fulani and send him to judgment. I'm going to show you in the next video that we are going to upload today. Just watch this, what is happening in Biafra land. This is what is happening in Biafra land. No security. The worst part is all these checking points close to them. Those kidnappers are operating because their master is there to protect them when the people attack them as well. And when the people choose to take the law by their hand to defend their land, the people will come out, run to condemn. How many attacks have all those people come outside to condemn in North? Sad is come outside nya ndị Igbo nya. Nnamdi Kanu, when Nnamdi Kanu starting, say Nnamdi Kanu is insultive, is causing the elders, is doing this, is doing that. Capture him, kill him. This one, you have captured Nnamdi Kanu. What is happening today? Now you have people planning how to rendition Simon Ekpa to Nigeria. Renditioning Simon Ekpa is the problem. The consequences are you people going to stand it again, because the Nnamdi Kanu own is the heat is too much. Capturing Simon Ekpa will lead to thousands of Nnamdi Kanu and people like Simon Ekpa to come outside to show you people know, right? It will be worse. The Ali Igbo now will not become a war zone if people don't even know anything. Since you don't want to listen to your people, you are listening to one Nigeria, and things are going wrong in your land. You think it's normal? Hello, my wonderful people. Now, so we see them today. We always tell you people the truth, nothing but the truth. This life, one come once. You cannot die 2 times. You only die once. If I die today, tomorrow is your turn. Doesn't matter. You must go there. Try to share this video. Very, very important. Share the video, and also follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Only thing you will do for us is turn your notification bell. We'll be bringing you updates as they hot.